Bonjour, this is Piper and I need your help because it's been 12,500 kilometers and this vehicle has not been cleaned. Plus, we went crazy into the sand. Another John Deere. Oh yeah! In like all of these routes, look at this. Good thing I don't have kids or pets because it would be a lot worse. And I'm bringing it to a detailer, meaning like a place that cleans cars, but it's a detailing. Why? Because they take care of the details over there. So they're gonna do the exterior and the interior. But I wanna show you all of the damages so that you can tell me if they did a good job. Because this is my very first detailing experience. I've never done this. I've done like the car washes and stuff like that, but never interior, exterior, and never like detailing. It's supposed to cost me $185 plus GST. I'll give you all the links later, but look, this is what it's like now. And I've been advised by some people in my comments to not touch it, because it is said that the paint on the Tesla Model X is very thin. And so don't brush, don't touch, don't do anything. Look at this, all this dust and all these dead bugs, splattered. Ew, guts of bugs. I know, some of you are already crying. Don't worry about it. Now, there's also, of course, the wheels. There's still dust in there, and it's kind of stuck. And then all here, it went through the doors. And it seeped in, like in the door. Have you ever seen this? Now, the behind is not so bad. There's a little bit of air and stuff like that. We also have the winter shield, so I guess it helps a little bit, but my main concern is really just dust and fluff. Oh, are you ready for this? Okay, so this is the back, and as you can see here, well, since we cook in the tailgate, when we're on road trips, there was a little coffee incident, a little coffee spill. So the coffee spilled there, and now it looks like the Tesla's vomiting from behind. In conclusion, we're gonna do a last roundup, but a slow one, so you can really analyze everything and tell me how dirty it is. After which, after the detailing of course, well, we'll do another one and then you'll tell me if they did a good job. You ready for this? Even the charging port had some dust in it. I had to blow it off. Still has some. I don't know if they're gonna do that part because it's like hidden, right? As you can see here, this is the top of the trunk, and there was a accumulation of dust, rock, sand, a little bit of everything. As we go lower, then there's food residue as well as the dust. I mean, it's a bit of a mix since we cook there. And those are hydraulic, so these struts have a lot of dust on them, and good thing there's oil because you wouldn't want them to be too ingrained. Chrome always gets dirty, right? If it's not spot on, it's not spot on. For the paint of the car, it's a 2016 and I've never really buffed it or done anything to it. The detailing that we're doing today doesn't include any sort of waxing or anything. It is the base. It costs this much, $185, because the Tesla Model X is considered a large car, a large vehicle. That's why it's a bit more on the expensive side, because it's big. It's a 6-seater. It qualifies as the same as SUV. We don't really sit in the back a lot. It's mostly for gear and other stuff. That's why it doesn't seem too dirty, but it is very, very dusty. Because we open the Falcon doors every time we stop at a supercharger or every time we are having lunch or anything, the dust just comes right in. Now for the stepping stool and the driver's seat. I mean, of course, there's a lot of accumulation there. We get in and out and in and out to film content. Lots of rocks, pebbles. This is somewhat dirty, but I think it's all very normal. Of course, some of you might say that it's a catastrophe, and I would understand that if you're used to washing your car every Sunday. Now, the thing is, while we're on the road, we don't usually wash. We just go on the road and then we wash when we come back. The front is the worst case scenario with the dead bugs. And I guess that's why some bigger trucks like pickups and all that, or the big vans on the highway, have these plastic so that they can actually make sure that they don't break any of the paint on the front with rocks or with very big bugs. I wonder if they're gonna like put me on a special list of don't wash her car again. She really made us work for the $185 Canadian. Inside of the wheel, even though it rains and everything, still accumulated some dust. Don't forget on the tires though, I know I need to change them, we're working on that. The imprints of the shoes, more dust, a lot more dust. It went everywhere, like even inside the latches for the doors, there's dust. The rear side or passenger-ish, again, is all for gear, all for random things we put in there. The Falcon doors have been good so far, but they did accumulate a lot in there. It was like a forest road and everything came in. Like even between the lights here, there's stuff. Wow. All right. So you've seen it? Now you rate the job. Tell me how much, if you were to do it, you would charge me for it. Tell me what you think is gonna be difficult, not difficult. Drop a comment right now before you see the end, okay? And then drop another one at the end. That way we can cross-reference. No edits. Let's go. All right, we are going to Living Star Auto Detailing. I've seen it a few times because it's in the downtown area. It looks like a small garage door between two huge buildings. I'm coming out. Oh, it smells like peace. It's there. I'm gonna go in. You have to go by behind. I knew a girl like that one time. There it is. Living Star Auto Detail. Just this one. This one is fine. Okay? All right. Bye. I love you. See you later. Now we walk home. All you can wish for right now is that when the detailing is done, it doesn't rain, because that's gonna screw up the whole detailing. But it said 3 hours, you know, so maybe we're gonna be okay. Now it's time to believe in astrology. All doors are open. Just received the text. Your car is ready to pick it up. How much tip do I leave? Like, do you leave tip? Do they prefer cash tip? Or maybe like it's all gonna be on the machine, so it's better if I go through the machine. I only have like 30 bucks, right? Oh, this is so confusing. Okay, let's go. There it is. Wow. Well, it looks clean. Definitely cleaner than it was, because it was dirty. They even shined the tire. Oh, now we can see all the places where it's bumped. Those rocks, man, those rocks. Oh, that was intense. Oh wow, it's still wet. I I have a friend like that. Call her Squirtle. We can check it. It smells nice. It smells like car soap and I don't know, but it's not too strong. Yeah, it's not too strong. Look here. This is normal. It's because of my Model X. Poor Model X, it's not its fault. Ooh, it almost goes squeak, 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 squeak. Wow, you guys. Oh. Let me open some stuff for you. Come check it out. Look at this. Even cleaned the butthole. Somebody dropped it in my comments. They say if you say Tesla open butthole, it opens there. I didn't try it yet. But you still need to tell me how you would rate this detailing. Because this is my first time. I'm a virgin, so I don't know. So you tell me in the comment from how dusty and muddy and everything it was to now the detailing. Drop it. How was your day?
Good.
Yeah?
Busy today.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Busy and dirty or just busy?
Yeah.
Okay, I just put it in.
The green.
The green first?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we have a YouTube channel and we went and we did some videos and it was like we went all the way up to Dawson Creek and it's like really high. There's a lot of dirt roads and stuff like that. It was crazy. That's why it was like really dirty.
Yeah.
Can I keep this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's mine. Okay, awesome.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. What's your name?
Chris.
Chris? Thanks,
Nice to
Chris.
meet you.
Nice to meet you too. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Piper Unplugged.
Unplugged?
Yeah, Piper Unplugged. You have your phone? Can I show you? Here.
Yeah.
Piper. Like this. And unplugged, like when you unplug a car.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
I don't think it was even like clean like this when we first got it. See, squeak, squeak. All right. Now's the time. Here. It's the time. Yes, you need to rate the detailing from before to after. Now, even though it might have not been like crazy dirty, I mean, you might have seen worse. I understand that. Everybody watched Vampire Ride back in the day. But go with what you got and tell me how much you would have give. Also, well, I did tip and total was $235. I got the receipt. So those are the wheels. I mean, they're clean. You remember? They were dark. The chrome is now chromy. It shines and everything. This is like not sandy at all. Like even here, it's clean. I mean, a bit dirty. Alright, so back seat, everything looks clean. I'm pretty sure we removed those to wash them because even the carpet underneath is clean. All of these too. These were wiped definitely. They feel like not sandy at all. All of this was so dirty. All up there. Then it even went in there, which is surprising. Yeah, I didn't know you could go in there. A bit of residuals here, but all the way up, it's clean. Inside there, the carpet is clean. All of this is fluffy. This is just broken. There's no more coffee stain. On this side, a bit the same. Oh my fingers feel weird, probably because of like the soap thing. Look, I mean, it's good. It's probably not Ferrari, but if I had a Ferrari, I would have probably paid $2,000 for this. So I think the $200, this is a $200 type of job. Do you think I tipped too much? Because I mean, I'm very satisfied with the job they did on my car. But again, this is my first time and I don't know what are the convention for tipping. I've been to the restaurant a lot more, so that I know. You know what kind of service you get and you know what kind of tipping you're gonna deliver at the end of the meal. But for this, I had no idea. So, leave a comment, tell me all about it. I'm very satisfied with his detailing job. I'm gonna give a good review. But leave your comments because I want your opinion on this one. You guys have been washing cars before I was born. It's time for it to go back home. Ça couine de partout. Oui, oui, oui. By the way, this is my motorcycle.